Today is Thursday, January 26th, and this is the Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video. In today's video, we're going to go over a scan that we've created to locate pullback setups in a bull market. And what we're basically looking for in this scan is for stocks that have recently made new highs that are pulling back over the past 3 to 5 days to support such as a 10 or 20 day moving average. Now, on these type of setups, you want to go for at least a 3-day pullback and no more than 10. So to locate pullback setups in our scanning software, we simply go to the preset scans tab, we select pullback, and the price range is 5 and greater and minimum volume is 250,000 shares and greater, and we click on the scan now and we get 24 results, which is a very manageable list. In order to save some time, we've already scanned through this list and found a few setups that we like. So let's get to the charts. First setup is NUAN, NUAN's Communications. Now NUAN has pulled back here on a slight pickup in volume, but it is such a strong stock that it might be able to overcome this selling action. So we'd look for a buy entry over yesterday's high with the stop beneath the 3-day low. This is one setup you may have to watch for a few days to see how the price action responds. And if it tightens up, we would look for a buy entry over the tight range. But for now, over yesterday's high, looks like a good spot for an entry. Next up is VVUS. After a strong gap up to new highs, the price action has pulled back over the past few days and formed a bullish reversal bar yesterday over the downtrend line. So we look for a buy entry over yesterday's high with the stop beneath the 2-day low. There you have it, a few potential long setups for today. We're going to go over some of our previous picks this week that have so far working out well. ELGX triggered yesterday and looks to be heading higher. It triggered on a nice pickup in volume on a breakout from the tight price action. Next up we have Carter's CRI, which we mentioned earlier in the week. It also triggered above the highs of the range yesterday. We look for some follow through to the upside. Next up is STAA, Star Surgical. We mentioned this is a potential pullback entry over the 2-day high, and it did trigger yesterday. And we look for some follow through to the upside. And stock could potentially just stall out beneath this prior low and tighten up here, which would also be quite welcome. But if you got in over the 2-day high, you have a stop beneath the 2-day low, so you would be able to ride out any pullback. And we also mentioned SCSS as a potential breakout entry over the January 19th high, and that also triggered yesterday on a pickup in volume. We'd look for some follow through to the upside with a move above yesterday's high. To receive our exact entry prices, stop prices, and target prices for the stocks discussed in this video, as well as our top ranked daily picks, sign up for our exclusive newsletter at morpheustrading.com. Well, thank you for joining us today. Good luck with your trading, and we will see you again with the next Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video.